Hello. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use Vocaroo to do a voice recording. These are really great. You can use them for adding to your Google Slides. It's also something really cool that you can get students to do to record their voices. But today I'm going to talk to you and show you how you can actually use this and add it into a Google Slides presentation. So you're going to go to Vocaroo.com, and this is free, so it's kind of cool, easy to use. To start with, you're going to record your voice, so you're just going to click the record button, and then I'll show you how it can be added to your Google Slides. Hello, students. Today we're going to talk about onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is when we use a word that kind of imitates, resembles, or suggests the sound that it describes. Examples would be oink, meow, roar, etc. So as we look at this slide deck, we're going to figure out where we see a lot of onomatopoeia in comic strips. All right, so you can see that I created my recording for my students that I'm going to add into my slide deck. Once you've got it recorded, you're going to see how long it is. You can listen to it again, see if you like it. I'm going to assume I like it, so I'm going to go into the Save and Share button. And so now that I've got it, I can do all sorts of different things. I can have a QR code, I can embed it, whatever. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it. When I download it, I want to rename it so that I know what it is. Got to spell onomatopoeia correctly. And name it something that you'll remember. Now I'm going to put it in my desktop temporarily. So once I save it to my desktop, what I am going to do next is I'm going to go into my Google Drive and upload it there. So I created a separate little Vocaroo audio drive or folder in my Google Drive so that I'm able to do that. And then I'm going to upload my file. And you're going to see a lot of them. I've done this before, so I'm just going to get my second one here, open it. And so you're going to see that I've got this starting to move into my Google Drive. So onomatopoeia intro, this is my first attempt. Here is my second attempt at my introduction to onomatopoeia. Okay, so once it's up there, it's kind of cool. We're going to go over into my Google Slides on onomatopoeia. And so on my intro page, I do want to give my students this information that they need to watch it in present mode to hear the lesson. And so that's an important tip to give you. So easy to do, we're going to go in and insert my audio. And so you're going to see that there is the intro and then there is the intro number 2. That's going to be this one. And so I'm going to select it. Oh, wait. Is this intro 2? There it is. I'm going to select this one. And it's going to come up as an icon in my presentation. And so it's just this little tiny thing right here. I can make it a little bit bigger if I'd like. But you're going to see it's very short, 34 seconds. You can move it around on your page however you want it. But the cool thing about this is that when you're clicked on here, you want it to go to start playing automatically. This is when the students are going to be able to, like I said, put it in present mode and actually hear it. So if I change it into present mode, and you're going to be able to see that it starts to play. Hello, students. Today we're going to talk about onomatopoeia. The other thing that's really interesting, I'm going to stop it. The other thing that's really interesting about this And it's really exciting to see that I can actually turn on my captions. And so if I have an ADA need in my room, or if I feel like students would need that, having the captions go will be a great thing as well. So I'll stop talking and let that happen. Pia is when we use a word that kind of imitates, resembles, or suggests the sound that it describes. Examples would be oink, meow, roar, etc. All right, so as you can see, it's a pretty easy process to do. And I think that it's something that you're going to find that your students are kind of excited to hear your voice, see what you're doing, and it allows you to give that explanation really well as they keep going.